What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy King Chef coming to you with another video. I Go Ham, the cooking show. We're making chili today, a 6-way. Yeah, that's right, a 6-way, not a 5, a 6-way. So as you see, we got onions, hot chili bean sauce, and then we also got Gold Star chili. Look at that bad boy. Oh, it looks so delicious going in there. Yeah, put it all in there. Get it all in there, man. Get it all in there. Yeah, don't leave none behind. Yeah, so we're gonna put it in that my little skillet pot and let that sizzle up real good. I already cut up the onions and whatnot. Got the beans on deck. These are the bushes. Hot beans. These are hot. I like a little spice in my life. This is a Cincinnati old tradition. If you didn't know, Cincinnati has the most chili companies in the world. We are a chili loving city. That's because it's so cold. It's just like New York music. Their music sound like it sound because when you go out there, you see it. Cincinnati Chili. You know we love chili because when you come out here, you understand it's cold as hell. We need something to warm us up, something hearty. So right now, just throw a little salt and a little garlic powder in there. Make it taste good. Got the spaghetti in the back, you know, boiling up, getting ready. And look at that. Look at a little light dusting. A little light dusting, you know, to get that flavor. Then it got the onions already chopped up. That's what I'm gonna do with them onions. Yeah. So to make it a 6-way, chili is 1, beans is 2, onions is 3, spaghetti is 4, right? Cheese is 5. So what's 6? Stay tuned. I'll show you the secret ingredient to make it 6-way. Yeah. So we putting these onions in that bad boy. And some people like raw onions. I don't like raw onions. I like to cook them just a little bit. You know, I don't want my breath that fully funky, but whatever. To each his own. So now we're done. Look at them noodles. They done steaming up the camera. It's so damn hot and good. Look, go ahead, put it in there. It looks so good. Oh, man. I can't wait to eat it, y'all. I'm doing the video before I even eat the damn food. I should have ate my food before I did this video. And my stomach growling. Anyway, yep, so we put the noodles in there. And then we're gonna go with some chili and beans. Look at that. And onions. So right now it's a 4-way. Look at that. Spilling it everywhere. Come on now. Come on now, Chef. Get it together, King Chef. Look at that. Now, my Caucasian friends would eat it just like this with a little cheese on top. Call it a 5-way. And today I'm using some Mexican style blend because it got that little hot pepper jack in there too. Dun, 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 the secret ingredient. Frank's Red Hot. What would we do without Frank? Matter of fact, who in the hell is Frank? I need to meet this man and thank him personally because he done made my food taste delicious for years. But anyway, that's the 5th ingredient. Some people say, hey, hot sauce is not an ingredient, but man, we're gonna have to respect Frank's. Frank's is the 6-way. He is the 6th man. Thank God for Frank. Look, put some cheese on there. Hey, it's done, right? Yeah, go ahead, take a bite of that. Look at that. Look, take a bite of that. Look at that. Look at that. Take a bite, cause it's done. It's not done. Ha ha, fooled you. You know I'm black. You know I'm black. You don't gotta be extra. Oh, I gotta throw some chili on top of that cheese to make it melt. You know I'm black. Come on now. Look at that. Now it's done, right? Wrong. Throw some more cheese on top of that joint. Look at that. Man, listen, y'all don't be stealing. Man, y'all better like, subscribe, and send me some money because I'm showing y'all how to cook. You guys don't know how to cook, just subscribe to this channel and I got your back. Cause man, I'm gonna have y'all, you know, making quick meals, long meals. Like we got the roast beef sitting in there getting ready in the crock pot. That's the next video that's coming up. I was hungry, so I had to make me something to hold me over, but you know, that's how it is. Look at that. Get it, get it. Beautiful. Oh, it disappeared. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Anyway, y'all go check out the new album Morals, True Story. It's on iTunes and everywhere you can get music from. Thank you.